Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. Don from Be Human here. And lately I've been getting a few requests on how to generate your persona's voice using the API. So text to speech via the API, leveraging your persona's voice. And I want to show you how that's done. Now it's a two-step process, but once you get the hang of it, it's not bad at all. So let's dive in. I am on the API docs here, Persona API docs, as you can see. So I'm going to scroll down and it starts with, let's see, this process right here. So get persona voice embed name. So you have to have the embed name of your persona, which is the username of your persona. So let's specify which persona we're going to generate the voice from. So let's hop on over to Postman and let's start with that first API call. So we have persona.behuman.ai/persona/voice, and then this is the embed name. That's the username I'll be using. Of course, you can use the username from your own persona. Then we have our API key, so this keeps everything safe. You can generate this on the platform by going into settings and then API keys. I'm not going to go here because then it'll show it. But anyways, that you can grab the client secret key. So let's go back into Postman. To add the authorization, simply use the header authorization, then enter that key there. And that's actually all you need. Everything else is there in the URL. So let's go ahead and hit send. And you can check the results. We get all the information about that persona. So the name, the embed name, company, avatar, everything. And we also get right in here, important for us, is the training URL, which we're going to copy and use in step 2. Okay, so now in step 2, we have this API call, which you can see is just under on this page right here. So notice, by the way, the root is different. This is voice.behuman.ai. That's different than all the other calls here. For example, this one is persona.behuman.ai. So just keep an eye on that. But for this call, we're going to use that URL that's been provided. And in the body, this is the format we'll be using. You can just do raw and JSON. And config, just keep that as null. And you can see that we provide that here for you. Now, names is where you're going to put the text that you want to generate. So quote, and then whatever you want to add within there, within those brackets. Now, training URL is what we grabbed from that first call. So I'll just remove this to show you that process. Sorry, that was avatar URL I showed you before, excuse me. We're going to look down here, training URL. So you can just grab from temp prod to the end. No need to include the S3. So training URL, throw that in there. Use process, you just set that to false. And now you can write anything you like. All right, and looks like we got our results. Now, how do we view the result? Another little detail to keep in mind, which we've made a note of here on the API docs for you. All right, so we're just going to grab this URL here. And in a new tab, we'll put that on the top. Then we'll come back to Postman. We will grab the URL result and simply add that at the end. And as a result, we get a recording. There you go. That's all there is to it. So if you have any other questions, feel free to let me know. There's actually another feature I wanted to tell you about, which is you can generate multiple phrases in one API call. So you can see here, I did 2 phrases and we got 2 URLs back. So if you're generating bulk audio, this is also a great way to do it. All right, I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions at all, remember, you're always welcome to join our office hours, which we host for 2 hours every weekday. You are also welcome to join our Discord group, to hit us up on the live chat or over email. Look forward to seeing you on the platform. Take care. Bye-bye.